Dealers who have a repair shop but don't have a plan to remind customers when service is due are missing out on huge profits. They usually sell a vehicle and tell the buyer, "Give us a call if you need service or repairs in the future." But as you know, the buyer soon forgets because there are a lot of repair facilities around and to choose from. So you miss out on repair and maintenance profits as well as trade-ins and future upsells. That's exactly where the recurring service automations come in. Next time you sell a unit, the automation will wait for a certain amount of time and send a service reminder text message that won't be ignored. And it'll continue doing this for you as time goes on. This is the simplest, easiest, and most personalized way to get service bay appointments. So while you're busy making new sales, this automation will make sure your sold deals think of you first when it's time to service or repair their vehicle. Just turn it on to get started. Don't stop here. There are so many other automations that your dealership can benefit from. If you haven't already, make sure to check them out by going to CRM and automations. Happy selling from all of us at Goxee Dealer.